Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide games from your Steam account. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already installed the application that is Steam. In case you have not, do it right now. That's quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to hide the games. Initially, I'm just gonna go to my game right now. Well, as you can see, let's say this is a game that I want to hide. Well, it is quite easy. Right here on the right hand side, you can see a button like this that looks like a gear. Click on it right now. And from here, as you can see, you find these 4 options. You can add or remove it from favorites, you can add it to any collection, or you can simply manage it. The thing we're looking for is manage. And right here, once you hover over it, as you can see, you will be provided a few options. And the thing we are looking for right now is simply hide this game. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. The game has been hidden from your Steam account. That is it guys. That's how we hide games in Steam. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.